Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This one is the aluminum stand that looks like a iMac for your iPhone or your tablets. It's like a stand, and you could also use it for Android devices. So let's go ahead and then get this open it up. So this is it right here. This is made by Mercury Innovation Mobile Dock. Aluminum desktop stand for smartphone and tablets. So this is what it look like with your smartphone and then your tablets. Before I was looking at this and then on eBay it was like $10 or $12 or even $17. And I was just browsing at Burlington and then I saw this one and this was the only one left. So I figured $5.99, why not just pick it up and then show you guys. So let's go ahead and cut this plastic tape open. Wow. So here it is, guys. Got mercury right here. And you got this rubber pads to prevent your phone from scratching against this aluminum. And you got the rubber pads on the bottom right here too. On both sides. And you got the rubber feet on the bottom here as well. Again, this is where your charging cable go through. So I got a couple of the iPhone over here. This is what it look like. Unfortunately, this one you cannot tell the different angle for viewing angle. Okay, and this was the landscape. So maybe blocking the screen a little bit. And I got this mini iPad right here. so it still works. And this is what it look like. Landscape. Pretty nice. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.